In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google AdSense payment threshold quickly and easily. This process is straightforward, but it requires a few important steps, so stay with me until the end to ensure you don't miss anything critical. To begin, let's head over to the Google AdSense website. It's here that you're going to make the necessary adjustments to your payment settings. You'll need to click on the Sign In button to access your account. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Once signed in, you'll arrive at your AdSense homepage. This is your central hub for managing your ads, checking your earnings, and of course setting your payment thresholds. Next, we need to navigate to the Payments section. You can find this option typically located in the left-hand sidebar of your AdSense homepage. Clicking on it will take you to a series of options related to managing the financial aspects of your AdSense account. This is crucial because any changes you want to make regarding payments will be found here. Once you're in the Payments section, go ahead and click on Payments Info. Here, you can view and manage your payment-related settings, including your earnings, payment schedule, and threshold. You're now ready to proceed by clicking on Manage Settings. It is this part where you have the ability to alter key specifics around your payments, including modifying your payment threshold to a level that suits your preferences or needs. Payment thresholds are the amounts you need to reach before Google issues a payment to your account. By default, the threshold is normally set to a baseline of $100, but this can be adjusted depending on what works best for you. Now, within the Manage Settings area, locate and click on Payment Schedule. This option allows you to adjust when payments are issued based on your threshold. Be thoughtful about the amount you choose. Setting a threshold that's too high might delay your payments, while one that's too low could mean more frequent, smaller payments. After you've settled on the changes you'd like to implement, make sure to save your settings so that the adjustments are confirmed and active. It might take a few moments for the new settings to update, so be patient and ensure all changes have been registered. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully changed your Google AdSense payment threshold. Remember, adjusting these settings can help you better manage your cash flow according to your specific income pattern and financial needs. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more straightforward tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.